I'm gonna do a review on this new backpack that I got that has everything on it and super comfortable.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Rain does not stop CycleCruza in cold weather. It's like 30-something degrees right now and raining. Probably one of the worst days you can ride, but that doesn't stop CycleCruza because I love it so. I want to talk about this new backpack I got. It's absolutely awesome, man. The American Kargo Trooper Pack. Hi-viz, baby. I can't get too cute on my Supermoto because it is wet out here. But anyways, man, this backpack is absolutely amazing. I was looking for something that had everything in it, but also was hi-viz and had all the reflective panels on it as well to help keep me safe out here. You want to be seen, man. I'm telling you, hi-viz is where it's at.
This guy thinks so too.
Money, that's a good thing. Money, that's a good thing.
You may think it's ugly, but you know what? Valentino Rossi wears hi-viz, so it must be cool. But this new backpack's got pockets everywhere, man. This thing has got awesome padding on the back, so it's real comfortable on your back. And it has a special compartment underneath where you can put a 15-inch laptop. And it doesn't affect your back because it has this really nice padding. I highly recommend you wear a back protector though. Because if you go down and you have a heavy objects, you know, I did a video on the way back talking about backpack danger, where you load your backpack full of stuff and then if you crash out here, it could set you up for a real effed up day. Definitely wear that back protector in addition to you know, wearing this backpack and putting all your stuff in it, so be careful. But yeah, also what I really love about this backpack is that it has pockets on both sides for quick access to tools. It even has the one pocket that actually says tools on it, so you can store your tools. You can even put tools on the outside of the pocket. It's got these loops for quick access, and then it has another pocket on the other side that you can put some stuff in there as well, and loops on that side as well. And also, once you open it up, it actually has flaps like wings that open up, so it allows you to be able to secure your leather jacket, or you can also carry your helmet as well. On the bottom it has a zip out where you can pull a net out, which will go over your helmet and then attach to some clips, and then you can carry your helmet with you. So this backpack is absolutely amazing for commuters. You know, once you open it up on the inside, it's got a pocket for hydration, bladder, which I have a good one I can recommend to you guys in the description and comment section of this video, along with all the stuff I mentioned in this video and my gear and stuff. Like I said, this thing's got pockets for everything. A goggle pocket, woo, got some slide action out of one here, baby. It's rain. Gotta be careful out here. And I like it has a quick access pockets on the top that are pretty deep, that you can put your glasses in. It's padded, so you don't have to worry about it scratching up your glasses or its sunglasses. And also it has a nice handle on top so you can grab it. What I really love about this pack is that it is perfect for both dual sport riding or sport bike riding in either position. And also I like the chest strap. It makes it really comfortable and centers the pack really nicely. And also I love that it has quick release straps on the straps, so that way, you know, in an emergency situation and you don't feel like you know, you can't, say your arm is broke or something, you can't take your arm out of the pack. It's really nice to have those quick release straps so you can easily just drop the pack off. And also it has rings, D-rings on the straps and on the sides and everything. You can attach your keys or whatever to it. It's got loops everywhere on this thing, man. It's just really convenient. That, like I said, has storage for pretty much everything. I'm sure there's a bunch of other stuff I'm missing out on. This is a premium pack and it's not cheap, but you pay for what you get. I've had some cheap ones, man. They deteriorate, they don't last too long, they get beat up looking. But you get a real good pack, it'll last a really long time. And like I said, it has the padding that you want for that comfort, especially when you're carrying heavy items like a laptop and other hard items. I feel really comfortable with this pack on. Ride my Supermoto right now. But anytime I get new gear, I always like to tell you guys about it and do a review on it, and also do a long-term review on it as well. Because I like to get good quality stuff, but not at expensive prices. So that's why, you know, I recommend the stuff that I have, because I know a lot of you guys don't want to pay a fortune for stuff, but you want pretty good quality stuff. And believe me, I've tested out a lot of stuff over the years, and like I said, I have links to all of my gear in the description and comment section of my video, or if you go to my website CycleCruza.com and you click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all of my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle.